Apple is making a bold move into the smart home market with a brand new product, their very own smart doorbell, powered by Face ID. Currently in early development, this game-changing device will use Apple's advanced facial recognition tech to scan faces and unlock doors automatically. Imagine walking up to your door and having it open for you, seamlessly. Featuring Apple's upcoming Wi-Fi chip with secure enclave, this smart doorbell will store your data safely, ensuring your privacy with end-to-end encrypted video storage via iCloud. No more worries about third-party access. With competitors like Google's Nest and Amazon's Ring already in the market, Apple's emphasis on security and privacy will set it apart. Plus, it's rumored to integrate with third-party HomeKit locks, offering even more flexibility for your smart home. Set for release sometime between 2025 and 2026, this smart doorbell marks just the beginning of Apple's smart home expansion, as they continue to innovate with new devices designed to make your home safer and more intelligent. Apple's entry into the smart doorbell market is one to watch. Hit that like button and subscribe to stay up to date on all the latest tech news.